Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. If the lighting is terrible, I so apologize. Oh, that's not working. Come on, focus. Okay, we're going to take our chances. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas with some medium black paint, which is being problematic coming out of the spout, which is why it's everywhere. And I'm going to try and put some white in the middle. And I'm just going to do a swipe again because that's what I want to do. Looks like I have enough paint to do the entire surface of this, so that's what I'm going to do. Pretty sure. And the hour is late and I'm pushing my luck. I'm going to be late for dinner. That was Anita's white metallic on top of some medium black. This is some Egyptian coin, which I'm purposefully being kind of messy, just to get it done. This is some Bonfire. Where's my water dragon? There it is. There's my water dragon. I've been promising myself that I would try and do what I'm doing now, which is sort of segregate my colors to different areas of the canvas. I haven't done it before exactly like this. That makes for a good experiment. This is Neptunes Gaze. That was Blue Velvet. I have more water dragon. What do I want? I need to use up the rest of my African Violet. And I'm done with that. I have some Twilight Violet. A little bit of that everywhere. I used the frozen. What do I want? Oh, I've got pink Dahlia. And I have in a squeeze bottle pink diamond. And we'll see what else I want as I go on. Scrape off my spatula. I think I'm just going to use my spatula from my Aussie Floetrol and dioxazine purple and give my turntable a little bit of a spin around. Let's see if that works, because I'd like it to. So I have Amsterdam white, and I've never given myself permission to do exactly this, which makes it very cool. And why not? I've got some orange. I'm using all polypore paints from Colour Arte. I'm going to use a little black this time. Spin my turntable around again. I love doing spatula work. I really, really do. Even when it's a little off. because that is the incentive to do something different. And what I've got are little tools. Hopefully one is, there we go. These are my favorite acetate tools. And I'm going to use some of the Amsterdam white. Get it out of my way. Maybe a little more of that Amsterdam white. Let's clean that tool off on the edge. You fully utilize that paint. How about a little purple and some white? There's some great cells in there. Wow. I am inclined to see what happens when I use some of this orange. I have a little vivid polypore. Everything is mixed with vivid polypore. That's just kind of cool. I like using my little acetate tools. If you need the tool video for my acetate tools, just let me know. I'm getting some tremendous cells. I'm inclined to tip even though there's no pouring medium under there. But it doesn't mean it won't move. If I want to try, I can. Let everything flow a little bit. I like where the turquoise, where this went. It's very organic. Little pink dahlia. In a couple of places. I'm inclined to do a little bit of gold, but maybe I don't need to. I think that's busy enough. It's pretty cool though. I like it. Let's show it to you. It's very cool. The more I look at it, the more I like it. And I like it from all kinds of angles, which means it's a good composition. I'm not sure which one's the best yet. I'm going to torch, even though I'm using polypore, because there's no latex house paint in there. My paint pouring recipe will be below the video. You can ask me questions. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. That's all on my YouTube channel banner, or just below it actually. I have 2,300 videos, and if you appreciate what I do, I'd love it if you would give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching longer. Those of you who watch longer, I really appreciate that. I sort of kind of do want some gold, but it's a little trepidatious as to where I might want to put it. That doesn't bother me. At all. I'm good with that. Alright, it's time for me to clean up and go to dinner before I get in trouble. What did I forget to tell you? I have a monthly drawing that supports the production of videos and the purchase of art supplies. And if you want to be in it, all you have to do is find the icon on my YouTube channel banner for PayPal in the bottom right hand corner and use it and make a donation. And you can see what the prizes are if you're interested in joining at the beginning of the exhibition video that I include on the end screen of this video and most recent videos. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. Check out some of my 2,300 videos by going to my channel and finding playlists, all playlists, created playlists. I'm going to zoom in because these cells are mind-boggling. It's a very, very free-flowing organic composition with humongous cells. We like that. And the Colour Arte Prism pour paints are the bomb. What did I not tell you? My email address is below my link tree. My link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, especially is for students. It has my Amazon link. If you shop there, it helps me out. My 2 books are on that Amazon link. Volumes 1 and 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate you guys being here. You will find my paint pouring recipes underneath Show More. And my email address, did I say that already? My email address under the link tree. If I didn't, it's EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Also on the link tree, check out Legallerist Clothing if you have the budget to appreciate investment quality clothing. And while you're at it, check out Society 6 because I've got some of my favorite patterns and designs there on all kinds of wonderful things, even credenzas. I love that word, credenza. All right, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys dearly. I do sell my artwork, and that keeps me happy and going when that happens. So if you're inclined, fine. If you can't find what you're looking for, on pixels.com and Fine Art America, or Spring, all places where I post artwork and they have products, just ask me and I'll post a new piece of artwork to those places or one of those places. And I think right now you can ask for Legallerist too. Anyway, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, whoop, whoop, that was good. Thank you. Hope you come again. I post every day. It'll be 2022 will be sometime around noon or before. Right now, I post at 12:45 and 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you anon. I said that already. I love you. I said that too, but I don't mind saying it. I love you a third time. See ya.